How to turn off auto login in Moomoo mobile app. Hi everybody, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to learn how you can easily turn off or disable auto login feature in Moomoo mobile application. So let's get started. First things first, launch open the Moomoo app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in from the home page, go ahead and click on the Me button at the bottom of the screen. From your Me menu, go ahead and click on the Settings button at the bottom of the screen. Inside Settings, tap on Password and Security. On the next page, you'll see the Automatic Login button. If you've enabled it, go ahead and toggle it off. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to turn off the auto login feature. Now, if you log out of the Moomoo app and reopen Moomoo, you should now be prompted to enter your login details every time. And that's it. Auto login is now turned off, giving your Moomoo account an extra layer of safety. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.